Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a recipe for a passion fruit cheesecake that's made with cottage cheese instead of cream cheese, and it tastes fantastic, besides of the fact that it's healthier for you. You can also follow the same recipe without the passion fruit and add different flavors to it. For example, you can use vanilla extract for a regular cheesecake, or you can substitute for lemon juice for a lemon cheesecake. I've also made it in the past with peanut butter or cocoa powder for a chocolate cheesecake. So as long as you're following the same base recipe, you can add different flavors to it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by crushing one individual packet, 9-gram crackers, and add to a mixer or food processor. Process it well to a powder. Transfer to a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it well to combine. Then add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it well with a spoon or fork to combine. Next, line the bottom of 3 4-inch springform pans with parchment paper. Divide the crust mixture into the 3 pans and press it down with the back of the spoon or fingers. For the filling, start by adding the cottage cheese to a mixer or food processor and blend it until nice and smooth. Transfer the cottage cheese to a large bowl. Then add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. One-fourth cup of passion fruit juice concentrate. And mix it to combine. Then add 3 large eggs. Mix it well, try not to add too much air to the mixture. Last, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and incorporate. Divide the mixture into the 3 pans. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 Fahrenheit, 162 Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. The cheesecakes are ready when the sides are set, but the middle still a little jiggly.
Remove from the oven and let the cheesecakes cool to room temperature. Then refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. For the passion fruit sauce, we'll use the pulp of 3 to 4 passion fruits. Start by adding 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water to a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil over medium heat and then add the passion fruit. Stir it and cook until the mixture has thickened. Then let it cool. Remove the cheesecake from the fridge and run a knife around it. Remove it from the springform pan and transfer to a plate to serve. Cover with the passion fruit sauce and the cheesecakes are ready. If you like passion fruit, you'll love this. Otherwise, as I mentioned in the beginning, you can always follow the base recipe and change the flavor. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.